Hey there, and welcome to another tutorial. This case, we're going to address the ahmed body, which is the geometry is in the screen. Actually, it's this one. This is a classical validation case, it's external dynamics. So as usual, I always like to have control of my geometry, but as we are working in the OpenFOAM snappyHexMesh and recall the workflow that we need to create that blockMesh, background mesh. I always like to create my domain using my cat tool, in this case onshape. So here I have my background domain, and then inside this one is a refinement box that I can export, and then I can use it to add some refinement, and that will be my body. So this is how it will look like at the end, my simulation at the end of all the domain. So we have the geometry here. Also, you have to remember that I also put the drawing. So we're starting from this drawing. We're going to sketch the geometry. And in this case, we have a few variants. So one thing that we have the same one, but in platoon, no platooning here to bodies, interesting case, and actually it is another validation case. And then we have a twist in the case that now we added wheels. I really like this one, adding wheels and playing around with the case setup. And finally, also just to show off a little bit, we can also imprint letters in the surface. So these are surfaces that we will export, and then we're going to use this one to add refinement and our logo there, but a little bit showboating. So this is it, what we're going to do in this case. By the way, the validation data in our website, we have the single ahmed body. So we're using a different mesh here. In this case, no, a tetra mesh, but we're going to generate our snappy mesh. Here you have some references, very nice case. And then also we have the case in platooning. Okay, so the geometry, you can put it there, and you have the reference values. And again, we have a very good agreement. So this is it. I hope you will enjoy this case, and see you in the next videos.